Welcome to AORUS 101. Today we're going to introduce the future of computer memory, CQDIMM, and how GIGABYTE's Duo X design helps unlock its full performance. First, let's start with a basic problem. Memory capacity and speed are difficult to achieve at the same time. To increase capacity, more memory sticks are typically required. But here's the issue. The more sticks you use, the greater the signal interference. This can create a bottleneck and limit overall performance. CQDIMM was designed to solve both problems at once. It's a new type of memory stick designed for much higher capacity and speed. With CQDIMM, just 2 sticks can max out your motherboard's 256 GB limit. In the past, even 4 traditional sticks struggled to do that. To fully unlock CQDIMM's potential, GIGABYTE created the Duo X design. By using a 2-memory slot motherboard layout, the signal path is shorter and data transmission is cleaner. In real testing, a Duo X motherboard with CQDIMM can run 256 GB of memory at speeds up to 8,000 megatransfers per second. Even without using CQDIMM, Duo X still delivers performance gains, approximately 11.6% increase. Reducing the number of memory slots frees up valuable motherboard space. This enables more flexible layouts, including additional M.2 slots and enhanced expansion options. CQDIMM is shaping the future of memory. And with Duo X design, GIGABYTE is leading the way, unlocking the next level of performance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.